Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you again. It's a lovely morning. Today I came to a Carp lake, not too far from my home, about half an hour's drive. Lake looking beautiful. I hope I will catch some nice carp. Just have a look. Got my rods ready. I seen few carp jumping out of the water already. Got my bivvy set up. Beautiful location. So I'll just mix up some bait and start fishing. Okay guys, the bait is ready. Just bait my rods and start fishing. Today I'm using my method feeders. I'll just put one pellet on a bait band. Got some nice green pellets. And I got some PVA mesh where I put some pellets as well. Okay, got one rod ready. Just have a look. Looking nice. Plenty of bait to start off with. Yeah, we'll try to cast to the island. Okay, let's go. Got wind blowing right in my face. Okay, a little bit short, but it's just a first cast. Not too far off. Still, I think this is very good. Okay, let's do same with my other rod. Yeah, this one's a little short as well. I think the wind is not helping. Okay, got my rods out. Now I'm fishing. Okay guys, let's go check on my rods. Getting a bit chilly now into autumn. Lovely cast. Okay guys, looks like I got something. Yes, got a fish. The bite was very tiny, not sure what it is. I don't think it's a carp. It's coming in very easy. Maybe it's a carp, but the small one. Yes, in the net. Got him. Alright guys, I got a little carp. It's a nice beautiful one, not too big, but it's quite nice. Just let him go. Just give him a bit of rest. First fish. Very nice. Okay, let's get the rod out. Very nice cast. Okay, just get the other one out. It's so cold right now. Nice cast. Okay, got my both rods out now. Just go warm up in my bivvy. Okay guys, had a bite and it come off. Alright guys, it's about lunchtime now. Was fishing since the morning. I had one small carp and I had like 2 bites, good bites with runaway. They come off. Now it's lunchtime. Think I will prepare some food. I'm getting hungry and cold now. I will chop some tomatoes first. I got something nice and simple for today. Just a quick and nice fry up. Okay, tomatoes chopped up. I'll add some salt and some pepper. Got some chives. Looking beautiful. Yes, fantastic. I'll just add some chives on top of tomatoes. Now I'll just chop some dills. Yes, beautiful. Add some on top of tomatoes. I will leave the rest. I will use it when cooking. Okay. Now I'll just add some oil in my pan. Not too much, just a little bit. Let's start the fire. Yes, looking good. Today I have some mashed potatoes and some jumbo frankfurters. So it should be nice. Okay, everything's getting nice and crispy. I'll just add my chives, the dill. I got a bit too much, but it's fine. Yes guys, the mash looking amazing. Almost done. I'll just add some salt, some pepper. Yes, smells amazing. Get my gas off. Just have a look at this, guys. Looking beautiful. Let's give it a taste. Amazing. Okay. Let's cut in the sausage. Okay, let's give it a go. Very nice, guys. Simple, nice and tasty. I'll give it 10 out of 10. Definitely. Alright, I'll finish my food up and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, let's go and check on my rods. Very nice cast. Right on the edge of the island. Okay, both my rods out again. Can relax now. Getting no more bites. I think I will just recast my rods one last time. Okay, both my rods out. Okay, guys, got a fish. Got a fish. That came in soon and quick. I just put my mat away. Okay, got my mat back. I just cast it out and fish came in straight away. It's looking bigger. Okay, it's coming close now. That's good. Okay, let's get him out. Yes, in the net. Got him. Just look at this one, guys. Another lovely, beautiful carp. This one's a beauty. Lovely. Not as big as last time, but still good fish. I'll just give him a bit of rest. Okay, I'll just cast this out, release the carp, and then I need to start packing up. Okay guys, I'm just gonna release the carp. Just have a look at this one. Not very big, but still nice fish. Yeah, there it goes. Nice stuff. I caught it right by the island there, where the swan is. Beautiful. Okay, I think it's time to start packing up now. I'll see if I get any more, would be good. If not, then I had a very nice day anyway. Okay guys, got another fish running away. Seems like a big fish. These fish are fighting hard. This looks like the biggest one today. Yes, fighting hard. Don't want to come in. Yes, I got him. That's the third one today. I'll just get him unhooked. Ooh, that's a nice one. Lovely carp. This one's very nice. They're getting bigger now. Okay, I'll just get some more bait out. Maybe I can even get another one. It's getting interesting now. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, that's the third carp I got. What a beauty. This one's the biggest one of the day. Just have a look at this. Very nice, beautiful common carp. Very nice carp. Okay, let's put him in the water. Oh, come on guys, look. I got another one. Oh, it's a little carp. This one in the same net. Yes. Got two in the net now. Let him calm down a bit. then I will show it to you. In the meantime, I'll just recast my rod again. Okay, let's get the rod out again. Okay guys, have a look. Got 2 carp in the net now. Yeah, the second one is much smaller. Just a small baby carp. The first one was much bigger. Okay guys, just releasing the carp. Have a look, I got 2 in the net now. One big, one small. Beautiful carp. Let's release these ones. Okay, they're gone. Lovely. Okay guys, another fish on. What's happening guys? I just released another 2 carp. Here goes one more. I think that's the number 5. Okay, another small one. But he's fighting hard. Yes, in the net. What a fun, guys. Okay, the hook is out. Just have a look at this one, guys. Another little carp. Beautiful fish. Just gonna let him go right away. All right, one more cast, guys. I think so. Okay, just get it out again. Oh, that came short. Okay, good. Okay, guys, looks like we got another fish. I didn't even get a bite. I thought I'll just check on my rods, and yeah, there's a fish on. That's a 6 carp, and I got somebody else's line as well. Just a little carp. Release him straight away. Okay, let's get this out. Ooh, almost. I get the trees in the island. Getting exciting. Okay guys, got another fish. I don't know, is this a big fish? Or did I catch on somebody else? Alright guys, I'm all done fishing. Had a very nice day. I enjoyed it a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.